Hi, and welcome back to our series on the long-term care home that's coming to Deep River. Today I'm at Town Hall and I'm talking to the Mayor of Deep River, Suzanne Dion. We're discussing a variety of topics that relate to the home. So let's jump into it. So I'm just wondering if you could tell me a bit about what kind of impact you think that the new 96-bed long-term care home will have on our community.
Well, I think the impact will be huge. Actually, we currently in the Deep River, North Renfrew area only have about 31 long-term care beds, to my understanding. So this project and this new facility actually increases that almost 3 times. So it's really a game changer for local people that age and may need extra care, or they may have other challenges that need extra care, and it gives them an opportunity not to have to go far away. I've had residents call me very sad because a senior family member who was in a hospital bed had to be transferred to the only long-term care bed they could find, which was in Pembroke. Even going through it with my own parents who live in Southern Ontario in the GTA area, and they're struggling with the decision to be put on a long-term care list for my dad, because it's no guarantee he could be moved far away and my mom couldn't get to him. So these are real tough decisions for people. So in the meantime, she's looking after somebody at home, maybe which is a little bit too physically demanding for her and puts her own health at risk. So having more beds in North Renfrew is a huge benefit to our residents as everybody ages, and we might find ourselves needing that level of care.
Can I ask, how is the town of Deep River helping to move the project forward?
Well, we've done a few things. Last summer we had to rebuild LaSalle Drive. LaSalle and rebuild all the services under LaSalle Drive, the sewer and water services. Part of that was because the sanitary sewer suffered a bottleneck in that area, and in order to be able to connect the new long-term care and the amount of beds and residents, we needed to resolve that bottleneck. So we brought a team of engineers in, sort of fast-tracked the design and the tendering of that project, and got it done last year so that that utility bottleneck wouldn't be a problem for construction. We also recently facilitated a land swap between some municipal-owned land that the town had and some private land in order to provide more space in the back of the new long-term care for residents to access sort of backyard, back deck space, so that wasn't too constrained with the property boundary, so that they could enjoy the environment.
One of the exciting things about this project is that it will bring 200 jobs to the area, and these are good jobs. Some of the residents and donors have come to me and asked me about housing, and I was wondering if I could ask you about initiatives or plans that the town of Deep River has made or plan to do for housing needs in the next couple of years.
We do have several developers who are well advanced in the process of plan of subdivision approvals, and involving a variety of housing types, different styles and types of housing in different parts of town. And I do trust that with the progress that they're making, that some of these will be breaking ground within the next year.
Nice.
We also have another rental building being planned for downtown. There was 2 additional ones planned, and we understand one is looking at proceeding. The interest rate situation in the province and the country and building materials have sort of slowed things down, but I expect because there is so much demand locally, that won't be too much of an impediment, because these things are moving ahead.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about the home, please go to drdh.org/closer-to-home campaign, where you can see all about the home, look at facts, and learn more about how you can support this project. If you'd like to talk to me directly, you can also do that. My contact info is right there. Look out for our next video coming soon.